Students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start with the pairing of an object. So let's take an example. If I have 3 t-shirts, one red, one green, one blue. Then I have 2 pants, one white and one black. So what is pairing? Pairing means one part from the object 1 and one part from the object 2. So here red with white 1, red with black 1, 2, green with white 1, green with black 1, 2, 1, blue with 1 white plus blue with 1 black. Here if you'll add these numbers you will get 6. Here how many objects we have? 3 and 2. So what is pairing? A pairing means the number of different pairs formed by pairing of an object from 2 groups, from 1 and from 2. How many pairs we are getting? 6 pairs total. Okay. So in short, how to find the pairs? Number of objects in one group and number of objects in another group, and the product of these numbers is the pairing of an object. Understood? Okay. So now we will move to the division part. In multiplication, when one thing is given and we want many things, we used to multiply. But in division, when many things are given and we want one, we will divide. So here, let's take an example. 68,206 divided by 19. Here, 68,206 is dividend. 19 is divisor. Okay? So, always divide it like this. 68,206 divided by 19. So, to get this in easy way, we will require 19 ka table. So 19 into 1 is 19. 19 into 2 is 38. 19 into 3 is 57. 19 into 4 is 76. 19 into 5 is 95. 19 into 6 is 114. 19 into 7 is 133. 19 into 8 is 152. 19 into 9 is 171. 19 into 10 is 119. Have written the table for 19. Okay, now it will be easy for us to solve this. Here, we have to take first one number. Here, since it is 2-digit numbers, we will take 2 digits. Here we will find which is a smaller number than 68 into the table of 19. So here if you can see 19 4s are 76 is a bigger number and 19 3s are 57 is a smaller than 68. So we will take here 3 and here 57. We will subtract this number. So here 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Here 11 is remaining. Now we will call one number down, that is 2. So here now we have got 112. We will check the smaller number than 112 in the table of 19. So here if you can see 114 is there, but which is greater than 112. So what is the smaller number? 95. So here we will write 95 and here 19 into 5 is 95. So we will subtract this number. 12, 0. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 9, 10, 11 means 1. Right? So we will call 1 0 down. 19 into 8 is 152. Now again here 10, here 6, here 0. Here 8, then 1 and 0. Now we will call 6 down. 186. So here 19 into 9 is 171. So the remainder will be 15. So here this is dividend, this is divisor, this is remainder, and this is quotient. Got it? So here in division we have dividend, divisor, remainder and quotient. To understand this division part, we will solve more examples from the practice set. So here problem set 15. First one is 1284 divided by 32. Here we will require 32 ka table. So 32 into 1 is 32. 32 into 2 is 64. 32 into 3 is 96. 32 into 4 is 128. 32 into 5 is 160. Okay. Here we will write till 5. If we will require more, then we will write more. No need to write the full table at one go. Here 1284 divided by 32. So here first we will take one number, that is 32 into 0 is 0, 1. We will bring 2 down. 32 into 0 is 0, 0. Again 12, 8 down. 32 into 4 is 128. So here 0, 0, 0. This number which is divided by the same, subtracted from the same number will give us the answer 0. Then we will bring 4 down. 32 into so 32 into 0 is 4. So here quotient is 40 and remainder is 4. Understood? Now next, 5586 divided by 87. Here we will require the table of 87. So 87 into 1 is 87. Easy. Now how to write the table of such a big number? I'll show you the easiest way. 87 into 2, then 87 into 3, 87 into 4, 87 into 5, 87 into 6, 87 into 7. Okay. Here you have to keep on multiplying. So 7 into 2 is 14. 1 carry. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Then we have 3. 7 into 3 is 21. 2 carries. 3 into 8 is 24 plus 2 is 26. Now 7 into 4 is 28. 2 carries. 8 into 4 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Then 5 into 7 is 35. So 5 return 3 carries. 8 into 5 is 40 plus 3 is 43. 6 into 7 is 42. 4 carries. 8 into 6 is 48 plus 4 is 52. 7 into 7 is 49. 4 carries. 8 into 7 is 56 plus 4 is 60. Okay, easy enough how to multiply. Okay, so here we will divide. So 5586 is a dividend and 87 is divisor. Again 0, 0, 5 comes down. 87 into 0 is 0, 0, 5, 5, 8 come down. Now we have 558 and here we have 522. So 87 6 are 522. 8 minus 5, 2 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 0. So again 6 comes down. 366, which is smaller than 348, bigger than 348. So 87 into 4 is 348. So here the remainder is here 16 and here 5. So here 8, 1 and 0. So here quotient is 64 and remainder is 18. Understood here? Okay. So next we will solve one more question. Eight 8,543 divided by 41. So here we will require table of 41, 41 into 41, 42 into 41 into 2, 41 into 3, 41 into 4, 41 into 5, 41 into 6, 41 into 7, 41 into 8, 41 into 9, 41 into 10. Okay. 41 into 41 is 41. Now the simplest way. 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Then 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. Then 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. And 41 into 10 is 410. Understood? Now we will solve the division part. 8,543 divided by 41. So here 4100, 8 comes down. 5. 41 into 2 is 82. So here 3, 0. 4 comes down. 41 is 0 into 34 and 3 comes down. So here we have the smaller number is 328, that is 41 into 8 is 328. So here 13 and here 3. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 5 and here 1, 0. So quotient is 208 and Remainder is 15. Understood till here? Okay. Now we will move to the word problems. How many hours will it take to travel 336 km at the speed of 48 per hour? Here, speed is given 48 km per hour. And distance to be covered, that is 336 km. To find time, we need to divide 336 by 48. Here per hour ka is given, and here we have to complete this. So here 336 divided by 48. Here again we will require the table of 48. So 48 into 1, 48 into 2, 48 into 3, 48 into 4, 48 into 5, 48 into 6, 48 into 7, 48 into 8. Forty-eight ones are 48. 2 8s are 16. 1 carries. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 3s are 24. 2 carries. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 8s are 32. 3 carries. 4 4s are 16. 17 18 19. 5 8s are 40. 4 carries. 5 4s are 20 24. 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 6 4s are 24 plus 8 is 32. Then 8 7s are 56. 7 4s are 28 plus 5 is 29 30 31 32 33. 8 8s are 64. 6 carries. 8 4s are 32 plus 6 is 38. Now we will solve this. 48 into 0 is 0. 3 comes down. 48 into 0 0 0. 33 6. 47. 48 7s are 336. So here the time required is 7 hours. Therefore the time required is 7 hours. Understood? Now next. Girisha needed 35 cartons to pack 1400 books. There are an equal number of books in each carton. How many books did she pack into each carton? Number of books is 1400. And number of cartons? 35. Here, number of books are 1400 and number of cartons are 35. She has packed 35 cartons. In each carton, there were equal number of books. So, to find in each carton, we will divide those numbers. So, here, 1400 and divide by 35. So, we will write the 35 ka table. 35 into 1, 35 into 2, 35 into 3, 35 into 4, 35 into 5. 35. 35 into 2 is 70. 5 3s are 15. Carries 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 4s are 5 4s are 20. 2 carries. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 is 14. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Okay. So here 0 0 1 4. Again 0 14. 0 comes down 40. 100 35 4s are 140. 0 0 0. 0 comes down. Again 0 0. So here how many books are there in each carton? Therefore 40 books are packed in each carton. Got it? So you know how to multiply, how to divide. One more example that we will take to understand the division part. What will be the quotient if the smallest 5-digit number is divided by the smallest 4-digit number? Here the simple thing is asked, the quotient is asked. The smallest five-digit number is 10,000. Yes. The smallest four-digit number is 1000. We will divide the number. To find the quotient, divide 10,000 by 1000. So here 1000 into how much is equal to 10,000? 1000 into 10 is 10,000. Right? Therefore, the quotient is 10. Understood? Okay. Now, the last practice set is remaining that we will take into the next practice set. Clear, everybody? Bye.